All right, here we got a Suzuki LT50 that we're gonna be working on. You see the dog chewed up the plastics on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim the plastics. I'm gonna trim them from there. You see, trim them on all four sides, and then redo the seat cover because the dog chewed up everything. You see, it chewed up everything, and it doesn't run too. So I gotta clean the carburetor and restore the plastics too. And you can see, the little thing is old. It's probably like a 1985, I think. I'll say it's a 1985 too, so it's old. So yeah, let me I'm gonna take in the seat cover to get redone, and I'm gonna try to clean the carburetor and see if it runs. So hopefully it runs. Let me do that real quick. All right, I got done washing it, and you see I scrubbed down the plastic with the razor knife, and I used a Scotch-Brite, and then give them a little buff. They still need a little bit more, but I'll do that right now. You can see it came out really clean, man. Came out clean. The little wheels, the little gold rims are nice. Yeah, man, this thing's nice. See it. So now I'm gonna just clean the carburetor, the air filter, and then put it back on. And then see what else. I'm gonna replace this cap because it's like cracked. It's broken, so I'm gonna replace that. I already ordered one, waiting for that to come in. And then well, yeah, just put the air filter on and the gas tank, clean out the gas tank. And then yeah, see, hopefully it runs and idles. All right, I bolted on the seat to the plastic, and then got the seat reupholstered right here. From the local guy that does that. Did a pretty good job too. He made the whole foam too. There was no foam at all, so he made the whole foam. And I bought the seat cover online and he put it on. Did a good job. And the plastics I used, well, I cut the part that was chewed off, and I used a razor knife on all the scratches on the fade, all the fade that was on it. And then I used a Scotch-Brite too, and then I heat gunned them. But now I just gotta buff them. They're not buffed yet. Still gotta do that. I'll put them on the bike and I'll buff them when they're on the bike. But yeah, man, this seat came out nice. The plastics did too. Yeah, it sucks that the dog chewed them, but I mean, it looks way better with them cut. But yeah, that's it. All right, I'm gonna pour vinegar in the gas tank because it has rust in there. You see? Yeah, I'm gonna let it soak in there for like a whole day. Hopefully it takes it out. I'll probably do like 2 passes. Since it's a small gas tank, this will be enough for it, pretty sure. So yeah, let me show you the results when I'm done too. All right, I'm done with it now. You see it runs good. It runs good now. Yeah, idle's good too. It came out clean. Yeah, I put the bar pad on, and then I ordered this for a nose piece, the plastic, and then I got the whole seat redone. And I cut the plastics, and I buffed them out, heat gunned them, steel wooled them. Yeah, man, I think it came out nice though. Let me turn it off so you guys can hear me better. Oh, I forgot to show you the after of the gas tank when I put vinegar in there, so you guys see the inside of it. Show you guys can see. Kind of blurry, but well, yeah, it helped it out way more. It didn't take out all the rust completely. If you want to take off all the rust completely, you gotta do a couple passes. But I just did 1 pass because I try to get rid of it kind of quick. But yeah, man, it came out nice. Starts right up too, first pull. But you gotta pull the brake in to start it. Yeah, that's it. And I put the grips on there too. New grips, OEM grips. Yeah, this bike's nice. I mean, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, like and subscribe. And I'll be making more videos soon, so just keep in touch. And yeah, thanks for watching.